Hi, welcome to another episode of I'm No VW Expert Garage. I'm Roman, and today I'm going to be replacing the fuel sender on my 1965 Volkswagen Bug. Let's take a look at how much fuel I have right now. That's where I stand right now, so that'll be a comparison when I put the new one in to see if it's adjusted the same way as this other one is. So when I bought this Bug, I replaced the under thing, I replaced that corkscrew or gasket, and then I also replaced this vent line right here. But I did replace that, but I didn't realize at the time, because I wasn't filling it up full, that there's a little rubber boot or something right there, because the other day I had to go like on a 120-mile drive, so I had to fill up my gas tank full, and gas was all leaking around here, as you can see. It's kind of like that. So I bought a replacement off of Wolfsburg West. It's got a new boot on it. It's metal, similar to that one. So let's get to installing it. So for this, I did not disconnect the battery, but this has a sheeting on it, so I don't think it's going to move around and spark on anything like that. Plus, it's not it's a mechanical. So the first thing you have to do is disconnect this little thing right here. Pop that out of there. Now to take these out, I'm just going to use this. I do have this to put them back in though. As you can see, this is the original one. It's got the 1965 on it. So there's that one. This is my Wolfsburg West replacement one. That I just replaced a few months ago, so I'm just gonna keep that one there. Should be good. Now the new one came with these white things right here, but I don't know. They don't really fit in there. Maybe they do. Let me see. They kind of set on top, it appears. I'm going to start the screws a little bit, all of them first. I think I'll just go with the original screws. kind of loosely fitting them all in there so that nothing gets cross-threaded or anything like that. Not sure why it came with 4 of those white ones, and then it had a little copper one too. I'm not sure why. But I'll try it, see what it does. If it leaks, I'll just replace it with the stock ones that I had still. Not sure how tight these really need to be. I'm assuming that it's probably not super tight that they need to be. That was pretty easy. This just goes up in that. That goes in there. That moves around. I'm going to see if the original cover will fit. It does. Let's take a look at the fuel level and see if it's the same as when I started. Ooh, now it has more, so I'm gonna have to go fill up, see if I end up on a full tank or not. I didn't really look how much was in there. Let me take a look if I can see in there. Yeah, can't really see how much is in there. Maybe if I get light, let me see here. Yeah. Looks pretty low, so I don't think it's a half a tank. It was probably what the original one is, so what I'm going to do is fill it up, then I'll adjust the back there.